Login, you can apply lock, FA lock, FA lock. FA lock. Next, after that, in create account, you will write FA user hyphen plus. User hyphen plus. I will arrange my text a little. Next, let me get it a little better. I will arrange this. In my system, it's making little overlap. Okay, next after that, come to the next part. Just I rearrange my li so that it will fit properly. It was going here, there. I formatted it proper. Something like this. Okay, so user plus. Each li have one a tag. Inside the a tag only, before text we have I open close, I. Will your page look like this? Okay. After that, okay, so let me know once you have added the icons. Once you add the icon, you can reply in a chat. Okay, next after this, in home file, other things you can see like suppose icon you have added, then what other size are there as well as how you can change the color. So we can go here, icon 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, correct? Then I'll keep here for 5x, FAK 5x, 5x, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can add total 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so hope ready. 1 to 10 icons are like this. Now we can write the classes red, green, blue, orange, and we can call here. That class we have to write in our CSS file. Okay, so you can call here first classes red, call the class called green. Is not there. We have to write it. Blue, orange, pink, yellow, then something purple. So we can create these classes in our CSS file, and for that we'll assign some color, and throughout the project wherever we need we can call this color name. Color will apply to text color. These all are for the text color. You can check now, is it working or not working? Working? It will not work because that classes is not exist. For the last one, you write a class called fa-border, border. fa-border. So it's already existing class, border class. So for that icon, border will get applied. We have a in CSS property called float left, float right. In font awesome, you have a class called fa-pull-left. fa-pull-left. It's called a float left. fa-pull-right is a float right. Yes. Float left, float right. So you can see here, border got applied. Now let's go to our which file? CSS file. We have written the CSS file, style.css. Open the style.css file. In that, this classes we can add dot red, color :red, green, blue, orange, pink, maroon, purple. Maroon we have not written, yellow we have written. Pink we have written, blue, red, green, blue, orange, pink, purple. Maroon is not there, red, purple, green, blue, okay, orange, pink, yellow, yeah, we can add here. Color will be red, color will be purple, color will be green, color will be blue, color will be orange, color will be pink, color will be yellow. Your color combination of icon will get changed. All beginning to wherever we are calling, everywhere color will get changed. Okay, color combination is ready. Next, we need to work on next file called service file. Service file, you can see you don't have any kind of icon. So in the service file, we need to replace this menu. In service file, we need to replace the menu. Menu with, say, till UL you can replace in all the file. From the HTML to till UL, you can replace in all the files. So what will happen? In all the file icon will come. So you copy till here UL from line number, from home file, from line number 1 to till end of the UL. Till end of the UL you can copy, right? You can copy this much. And in all the files, 6-7 files we are replacing now. And save the file also. We can go to the service home login and contact, and till UL you can replace in all the files. In register also, line number 1 till UL, all the files from line number 1 to till UL, you can replace. So if you go to any file, you can see icon will be available in all the pages. Okay. After replacing, come to the service file. After replacing, come to the service file. In service file, we can go here and keep one p tag. Right here, id equal to double column, double calls, double calls you can give d or two calls. Double calls become big word. Two calls. TWOCOLS. Two calls. Two calls. Okay. Two calls. Now in these two calls, you can write some text. Text will be only one place. Using CSS will break into two columns. टेस्टिंग का अभी नहीं है, जनवरी से शुरू होगा. सब ट्रेनर अभी घर पे हैं, सब जनवरी में आएंगे. 15 जनवरी के बाद आएंगे टेस्टिंग. नहीं, अभी वो सर लोग घर में है, इंटरनेट सबका ठीक नहीं रहता है, तो इसलिए हम लोगों ने बंद करवा दिया है. ठीक है, वो लोग जनवरी में आएगा इधर, तो फिर इधर आने के बाद शुरू होगा. 15 ना 14 पोंगल के बाद, 14 जनवरी के बाद. ठीक. Okay, so you add text into 3 lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something. Add lines. Now CSS, we will write using CSS. We will break this text into two columns. We have property called column count. Column count. If you write 3, 3 column will happen. 4 means 4 will happen. 2 means 2 will happen. Content will divide into 2 columns. But text should be more. It should not be one line. In one line, what column it will break? Text should be more, then it will break the many lines. Okay. Hello. Hello. These people are ready to give you loan at every moment. Understood? But once you become their customer, they will not take only blood. They will take kidney also, they will take blood also. When first time you go to them, they will call you sir. When you go next, you have to call them sir. Okay. Even they will say like, you have pre-approved. If approved, then send here. What is the waiting for? Then even they will say based on your profile shortlisted, you will get 5 lakh, 20 lakh something. Okay, then send. You need address. No. We need some more document. Then I ask person, fraud person, based on what profile you shortlisted, based on what eligibility you shortlisted. So you are asking the document now. Cut the call now only. Those kind of. See, that's all of what marketing. Okay. You should be able to listen their word no, for 1 minute. Then only they'll keep you inside. Come to CSS file. Right here, a class or ID. ID. Okay. Right here, column hyphen COLU hyphen count. Column count 2. You will see the same content should display in 2 columns. Column hyphen count 2. Column count 2. Now let's see. 2 column is happened. We can write here. Now 2 column happened, but you can see left side is equal line, but right side is little non-equal. Okay, that way, because by default your text align is left. You have to keep text align justify, so that it will capture left also equal as well as right also using the text align justify. We can write here text hyphen align justify. Text align justify. So that it will maintain the left side also equal line. It will maintain right side also equal line. You can see here equal line here, equal line here. Next, after this, between 2 lines, we want to increase the gap, top to bottom. That will happen through the property called line height. Line height. Use here called line hyphen height. Line height. Line height. Okay. Try some number. 20 plus will give anything. 25 suppose I given. Line height 25. Line height increased. We need little more. Okay. Make 35. Line height 35. Something like this. Now you increase the font size. Font hyphen size. Size how much? 22, 23, 22 PS. Let it be. Column count to text line justify. Okay. Next, after this, below in the same file, we need to display the icons. 4 icons in one line. Okay. So for that, you will first create a class service. Margin give 2%. Padding also give 1%. Display inline. Now 2% and 1 3 into 2 6%. If you are making 3 blocks in one line, so 33 minus 6, 27. You can write width 27%. Height also, let's give something. Height we can give. Mean height we can give, or let's leave height. Height will not give. Text align center we can give. Text align center.
So
display inline also we need to write. DIS. Okay, width should be display. Display. Margin 2%, padding 1%, display inline with 27. Text align. Okay, hope ready. Come to the again HTML file, that is called service file. In this service, you can write one more thing, cursor. Cursor, once it will come, it will convert into pointer as ready to click. Okay, now come to the service file. After this p tag, you will use the div tag. And you can write class equal to service. After p tag, we can use the div tag, class equal to service. And under the service, you will call the I class equal to fa hyphen desktop and blue. Before that, fa hyphen 4x. fa hyphen 4x. So big font size, blue color, desktop icon will come. Okay, ready? See now, one icon should appear, but 4x is small. Should be bigger one. 6x. 6x. Okay. And before this service, you can write call h2. h2 class equal to any color, green color, blue color, orange color. You can write here call our services is already written on the top, right? Our service is already written. Now why we are writing here again? No need to write. One BR is required before this. Before service, one BR is required. Some space should be there on top. Below to that, in H3 you will write software. In one service. And you have a next tag called a small tag. A small tag. Using a small tag, you can display some text. It will display very small. You don't have to write font size for that. A small tag is made for that only to display any small content in the small font size compared to normal font size. Oh, it's coming such a bit. It is under the service only. And for service, what is the CSS we are written? Width 27%, height we have not written is okay. Width 27%, how much it took? It took half of the screen. Similar or different? This also be inside the service block. Here we made any mistake. Oh, display inline hyphen block. Now the nature is completely inline. It is not working. The width property is not getting applied because you have written as a display inline. It should be display inline block. Display inline. Now the width property will apply. See, coming under the controls. Before that, it was out of control. Inline block was inline, so it was not getting applied as a inline. It was just coming as a segment. In case of inline, your width property will not apply. If it is an inline, then width property will not apply. Inline block means width property will get applied. So now display inline block without width property is getting applied. Okay, so verify once. Hope it's working for everyone. देखिए एक दो बार ट्राई रीडिंग. Okay, no? No. There is the class for you. This is the okay. Next, after this, where in CSS, I have below here, no? Blue, red, purple, green, blue, color blue, orange, pink, yellow, all color I have. Okay, now come to the again HTML part. In HTML part, we have to add some more services. One service is added. You can write some more service. Same section 3, not 3. This service, you should write comment first, else mismatch will happen. Right here, service, service and copy this division, paste again, right inside something, FA search in green color, FA search class equal to FA hyphen search. Okay, FA search like this, search option will come. Search is coming. Before search, you apply one FA users and put it 2x red color. So one icon will come as small and second icon will come large. User icon will come red color and the search icon will come green color. Okay. Next, after that, you can change the text as a digital marketing. Digital marketing. Something like this. Below user red color and on the top search as a green color. Next, after that, copy the same division, paste after this. Next, you can write only one icon. FA handset. Not handset, headset. Headset. In blue, green, color, pink color. Okay, and headset. Orange color will be also okay. Orange. And right here call. Okay, customer support. Customer support. Okay, customer support. Something like this. Okay, so hope looks similar. This file is ready as a service file. Okay, next file will work for contact us. Service is ready, service file. We will be moving to the next file now, contact. So go to the contact file. In contact file again, after H1, open the field set and close the field set. It will create a box. There you will check now. Check field set what it will show. Box. It will come like a border. Okay. Inside you add legend. Enter your message. I open close. Class equal to fa hyphen envelope envelope रेफरेंस अवेलेबल है बताइए सर हाँ ये भी okay check now so you will get the contact us something like this envelope icon is coming okay instead of envelope write their headset HEAD or instead of headset write called edit it will of pen symbol you are writing some message for someone fa edit okay edit in this page we will remove this h1 and we'll make this one better now remove the h1 from top and here send your messages okay okay ready now come next we can go to the css file and we can decorate this field set and legend so field set legend is added and it should look like this it's going up okay through css we have to manage all so finally come to the css file first write the css for field set width 400 px margin auto margin auto right after that width 400 px margin auto then border 5 px solid orange color padding 30 pixel this is for field set so it will occupy 400 pixel width and it will come in the middle then we will write for legend directly for tag name legend padding from top 8 px left right 20 px bottom 8 px padding background green color text color white color okay font size 25 px 5 years. Okay, ready? Check it. Something like this. From top, little gap is required. You can write like this in field set. Margin, what you have written? First number right 30 px. So from top, there will be gap of 30 pixel. Left, right, auto. Margin no need to give bottom. Top 30, left, right, auto. So from top, some space will get applied. That look like this. Okay, so till here, this much is okay. Complete field set and legend, then we'll come to the text box. We'll design their first table, we'll add the text box and all, then we'll write the CSS. Page designing is a art. If you think you can design once, 100% wrong. Okay. One person called me sometime before, maybe 5-6 months before. He wanted to learn something. He have a lot of experience. Even he was showing his experience also. He was saying like how to learn in such a way that I should design a page that should be for the full lifetime. Okay, I should design a page in such a way that should be for my product lifetime. I should not get opportunity in the future to change the color combination and then design wise. I told him, see, your product may or may not be popular than Gmail. Correct or not? Your product may or may not be popular than Google Pay or Phone Pay. Okay. That I don't know. But these companies are such a big company. They have a lot of high experience people who do the analytics for the entire world. But they also keep changing their design. Okay. Same Lux soap we use last 20 years. Quantity may up down will happen. Quality remains same, but their cover will keep change always. Different models, different color combination comes. That is what our mindset. Understood or not? So I thought we look some other developer trainer who can teach you in such a way. Okay. So how we can think like that? I should design a website in such a way till the date I should you run it. Yeah, what is the problem? Public is not asking to change the color. No? Automatically after some time you will feel like his website looking like this. Why mine is not look like that? You only will start asking the developer to change. Okay, that is the normal your mindset. But if you think like I should design in such a way that should survive for the full lifetime, design anything and don't use it, leave it like that. You will not get opportunity to look into that. Customer will not come. You will not feel like user demand is something else. Okay. Okay. Now come to the HTML file. In HTML file, we will use simple one table only in contact page. Write a table. Now write inside tr. Write there th. Write there call your name. Now write here call it td. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. You can write one class also so that you can apply the CSS for that. input box. One more TR is required below. Your phone number. Input type equal to number, you can write. Your email ID. Input type equal to email. Then one more TR. Your message. Text area. Open. Text area. Close. Text area open. Text area on this close. Okay, rotate. Should look like this. Now one button is required. Here you can write one more class called big box. Big box. Write one more TR. TH. Let's find two. Button. Send message. Try this table to table. Okay. Come now to the CSS part. We can write the CSS. For this table, you can write one ID. ID equal to contact. So that we can connect the TRTSTD easily. Table ID equal to contact. Okay, come next to the CSS file. Write for hash contact with 100%. 100%. Not input box. Not input box. Again, hash contact of TR height 45px. Okay, so TR will be spacious. Input box width 100%. Full width text box should take, and height should be somewhere 30 pixel. 30 pixel, maybe more. Next call big box. Big box width is okay. Increase the height to somewhere 80px. Should be in the middle. Height will be bigger. Text box will be width. Height will be more. Big box should look better. Something else. Like this. One button I have. For that button, you can write CSS according to your wish. Write for contact of here, input box and big box. You can write some CSS for button. You have one button, write the CSS for that. Anything. Text box, PR table, ready. दो क्लास हो गया, एक इनपुट बॉक्स और एक बिग बॉक्स। इनपुट बॉक्स डिलीट मिल जाएगा और बिग बॉक्स से हाइड मिल जाएगा। इनपुट बॉक्स हाइड कितना है 30, बिग बॉक्स कितना है 80 होगा, तो 30 नीचे चला जाएगा 80 को ऐसा। Right, in case of the button, something should be better. It should not be background green. Something padding, margin, border, here, there, right? Something. This is the button for that. Background is on dark red color. Then after that padding from top 10, left right 30, bottom 10, then color white color, then font size 20 pixel, border none, and then you can write call cursor, pointer, then you can write call border radius 50%. 50%. Okay, button looking better. Something like this. Margin can give in that. Margin top 30 pixel. Button should have gap from the top. Something like this. So exact similar design you can create in login, and similar design you can create in create account. In create account, full name, email ID, password, gender, address, city, pin code you can take. In login, email ID and password. You can use the same field set. If you write the field set, automatically design will come because you are written for field set and legend. Throughout the project, it will come. Just if you write the button, this design will come automatically. Wherever you write the button, this design will come. Okay, so we'll see you again tomorrow. Something next. Media query. How to make responsive page. Animation related, I think you have created something. Media query and some other CSS related property. So, do I need to share the file or working for all? Okay, I sent you files, you can use that.